What's going on YouTube, it's Muxi here, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you guys how to create an animated character yourself with a free online software called Animaker. In addition, I'll also show you the basics of how to animate that character. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to www.animaker.com. This is the website where we're going to create our character. Sign up if you don't have an account. I'm going to press login. Okay, next you want to press create, and then in the drop down menu you want to press create character. Next thing you want to do is select a gender and then select a look. This person kind of looks like me. So you can customize every single part of your character, including the hair, the body, the accessories, the ears, every single part. But first, one thing I'm going to do is change the skin color, change the hair, and I'm going to replicate one of my outfits from one of my Instagram posts. You can follow me at @promuk_b. Okay. And next I'm going to go and change with the shirt. It's going to be a simple shirt, like so. And one helpful tip is that you can change the color of every single one of your accessories or hair color and all that stuff. Lastly, I'm going to go cancel the headphones and then change the pant color. Here, change the color to black. And I'm going to add my signature sunglasses right here. And I'm going to change the color of the frame and then change the color of the sunglasses. Okay, so now I'm satisfied with my character, and now all I gotta do is go here and name the character. I'm gonna call him Muxi YT and press save. Okay, next it'll ask you if you want to go to the dashboard or create a new character. Press create dashboard so we can start on creating our video. So now we're on part 2 of the video, how to animate the character. Basically go and press create a video, and he'll show you a bunch of templates. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna go blank project horizontal video. So to find your character, all you gotta do is press this plus button, plus character. And this is a character that I created. The easiest way to animate a character is to go on to this templates thing and find the template you want to use. Let's say I want this person. Okay, and yes, they don't put your character in it because it's a template. So what you want to do is click here, swap the character, and then press the plus button and then choose your character. Apply. So now let's play, see how it looks. And yeah, it's already animated. So this stuff's kind of boring. Now we're gonna go to how to actually animate it from scratch. So first you want to go to press background, and in this example I'm going to animate me walking on a beach. So here is a beach, and basically I'm just going to delete all this unwanted elements. Okay, so first I'll explain a little bit about where everything is. So this is a timeline right here. You can zoom in to add in more seconds, zoom out to add less seconds. And yeah, the first thing you want to do is click on the characters icon and plus icon again, and to get your character on here. So the way we'll be animating the character walking on the beach is with the smart move feature. Okay, so before we do that, we gotta go to the expressions/actions. I'm just gonna make him smile. And then the actions, I'm gonna type in walking, because that's what we're trying to do here. Go all the way to the bottom to get the regular walking here. And now is where we use that feature which I talked about before, which is the smart move feature. Click on the smart move feature here and drag the character till the end or where you want it to be. And you can preview the smart move feature by pressing that button right there. And on the right, we see all the different ways we can animate the character. For example, if you wanted to bounce, you can have him bouncing. If you want him to go in a square motion, you can have that. And there's a ton of different things you can experiment on your own. So left to right is what we're gonna do here. And keep him until he's out of the frame. Press apply. Okay, now we have that ready. We can make the animations faster and slower in the bottom timeline. Basically, if you want to make your animation longer, you can press this button right here and make the animation longer. If you want to make it shorter, you can minimize this by clicking the bar and making it smaller. So let me show you. I'll make this animation long by going all the way here. Smart move preview. And let's apply it. Press this button right here to see it. Okay. So now I'm going to show you guys how to basically make the character talk. How to animate the character talking. So let's cancel this animation right here. Drag the character here. And click on this voiceover thing. Next thing you want to do is press record voice. And now I'm just going to say something. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell on. Apply. And now let's hear it.
Like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell on.
And now when you're done, all you gotta do is press publish. Download the video. 720p, MP4. And yeah, they'll notify us by email. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be creating a new animation tutorial, like the basics of animation with Animaker, in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.